What are you still doing here? I thought you were supposed to be going to Onitsha today.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. Hey. You heard me. I said I am not going anywhere. You see that my meaningless life? I'm not going back to it. How can I go back to a life of misery and struggle, suffering, when I have the solution to my problems right here? Here. I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, Chinwetalu, are you trying to say you now want to stay in this village?
That is what Papa wants. And that is what will happen. I'm not going back to that my fruitless labor. I'll stay here.
My son, that one will not work now. It will not work. See, you have to go back to Onitsha. You have to go back to Onitsha. It will not work for you. What will a young and vibrant man like you be doing in this village? You have to go back and struggle like every other young man out there. I know that my God will surely bless you. Biko, I'm begging you, my son. Biko.
See, Mama, the worst type of deception is that in which a man deceives himself. And for me, I will not continue deceiving myself. Mama, no, what even on it, man? I'm not going back there. I'm not going there. I will stay here. It is either Papa agrees to what I told him, what I want, or everybody, all of us, will stay in this village. Now I
want to talk to you. Hey, please now. Hey. Okay, no, even can I can't know him, but the GC no nonka. I was one again. Now he must agree to this, or he must agree to this, or no, he will not stay in this house, or he will not stay. I'm tired. I'm tired of all this. I'm just tired of all this. Because Nani, Emeka cannot remain in this village. I am begging you. Please listen to him. Please, listen to him.
Monica, my dear. Listening to Emeka is not the problem. I have done that over and over and over again. The issue is what he's asking for. And nobody will make me succumb to the pressure to sell the only land my father inherited from his father just because Emeka is going to Malaysia. I cannot do that. Not while I live. Never.
Nani. Since he's insisting that his destiny is not in this country, and we all have seen that whatever he puts his hand ends up in dead hand. And he has been saying that if he leaves this country, that he will make it. Why don't you just listen to him?
Let him go and struggle like others and make the money and travel. Let him go and struggle and make money and travel. As far as I'm concerned, that land is not for sale.
I don't even know why I have a father like you. Yes. Honestly. No, Mama, let me talk. I don't know why I have a father like you. What kind of human being are you? My friend Dikeh, how did he go to Malaysia? Very simple. His father looked at him and saw the potentials in him. He sold the only piece of land that he had, used the money to sponsor him. Ekenewa. 6 months after Ekene Chaka, came back to Nigeria buying land like a mad person. Everywhere. Built mansion for his father. Why will my own be different? Why? What have I done to you, sir? Ogini?
Monica. Let me warn you now. Never in your lifetime, never ever in your lifetime, raise this issue to my hearing again. Never raise this issue to my hearing again. Don't you ever.
Mama, let him go. Leave him, let him go. Let him go. One thing I know, you see this house? In this house, nobody will know peace, especially him, until that thing which is mine, my earnest desire, that thing is given to me. Nobody will know peace.
You are going to? Why just leave it like this? You have not finished. What is all this?
See, uncle, I don't know why my own father will be a hindrance to my success. My own father, I don't understand.
Emeka, stop complaining. You see, no wise man will run into selling his only inherited plot of land. You don't blame your father because that's the only thing he has.
Uncle, you too. See, Uncle, I know what I have inside me. If I land Malaysia, I'll come now back to Malaysia. Uncle Mchaka, man. I'm telling you. I will come back to buy plots of land to replace that one I'm telling him to sell. In fact, I will make sure I keep buying lands like a mad person until he tells me to stop.
Emeka, are you sure that you are going to make it in Malaysia?
The people who have made it there, how many heads do they have? One. Are they not boys like me? Ekene, Chukuma, other boys like me. See, if they can make it, me, I'll make it 100 times over. Yes. I know what I have inside me. I'm not trying to convince you. I am telling you what I know. Man.
Well, since you have such friends, I will talk to your father. I will talk sense to him.
We are welcome.
Yes,
I don't have cola.
don't worry, every day is not for cola. Our people say, where a child is crying and persistently pointing at, if his mother is not there, definitely his father must be there.
Sure.
Emeka is our son. We cannot continue to allow him to waste away in this village. Since he has this faith that if he travels out, he will make it. Why don't we assist him?
I'm not preventing him from traveling. I'm not preventing him from traveling anywhere. So please, if you can assist him, do so. I'll be very grateful and appreciate it.
Yes. What we are saying is this. Let us use what we have to achieve that thing we desire. That your land, that
Come, get out. Out! Sure, position. I say leave my house. Leave my house. I can understand. So you're envious of me, because of that land. Mazi Joku, you are envious of me because of that land. And my son has provided you an alibi, an excuse to objectify your evil intentions.
Do not insult me because of I'm trying to help.
How dare you suggest to me to sell the only land I inherited from my father? How many plots have you? How many of them have you sold? You have 3 plots. 3 different locations. How many of them have you sold? Njoku, how many of them have you sold?
I'm just trying to help you. Help you, what are you?
Njoku, I don't need your help. Help yourself. Out. I said I don't need your help. You can go.
Okay, let me go. Let me go before my kind gesture turn to something else.
I don't need your kind gesture. I don't need it. Go.
Okay, I'm working on it.
Go. Where is that boy? Where is that boy? Emeka. 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 Yes. Emeka. You are here. Emeka. I'm ashamed of you. Emeka. You should be ashamed of yourself. Emeka, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not? How many of you have I in this house? Tell me. How many of you have I in this house? It's not only you. It's not only you. Emeka, this property and land I'm protecting. If you are sensible enough, you should have asked yourself, who is this man protecting this property for? You should have asked yourself this question. Emeka, wait until I'm no more. I know that when I'm no more, you will sell everything here, sell this land, sell this property. But wait first until I join my ancestors. Wait until I die, so you can do anything you like and exhibit your stupidity.
Papa, I am not stupid. Yes, I say it again. I am not stupid.
Huh?
I am only fighting for what is mine. My right, my future, my destiny. And nobody, I say it, Papa, nobody will deny me my destiny. Not even you.
All right, but that land is not for sale. That land is not for sale. Sorry, that land is not for sale. Not.
Wicked man.
Monica! Hey! Monica! Hey. Monica!
Nani, what is it?
Monica! How many times have I warned you about removing my yams without my permission? How many times?
Nani, I did not take your yam. I did not take your yam.
And what does that supposed to mean? I did not take my yam.
Now your son is enjoying your yam. And Upaka at the backyard.
You mean Chibueze?
Do you have another son?
Ha! Hey! Okay. Chibueze.
He forgive you. Okay. You've not seen anything yet.
Chibueze. Baba. Who gave you the right to enter my barn and tamper with my yams? Eh?
Papa, I was hungry. I had to eat.
Didn't your mother give you food this afternoon?
I was tired of swallow food, so I needed something different.
Wait, let me tell you. As long as you are in this house, Chibueze, as long as you are in this house, whatever food we give you, you eat it. If you want to do big man, you go to your house. This house is mine. This house is mine. And whatever we give you, you take it.
Papa,
This house is my own.
it's your choice now. You made up your mind to keep me here. So I'll remain here. Anything you see from me, you take it.
Let this be the first and last day you ever enter my barn and tamper with my yams. Let this be the first and last day, oh.
Oh yeah. Oh dear, is it only yam? You think it will end here? It's not only yam, oh Papa. As long as you made up your mind to keep me in this village, this is what you'll be seeing. Anytime, any day, anything I see, I take, I touch, however, it's your choice to keep me here.
Look at it. Am I the one keeping you in the house?
Yes. It's you.
Am I the one?
Yes.
Didn't your Oga settle you very well at Onitsha? Didn't your Oga settle you very well at Onitsha? Where's the money?
Do the right thing, Papa. You know what to do.
Yeah. Chibueze, let me see this nonsense again in this house. Then you will tell me who is the owner of this house. You or me? You will tell me who is the owner of this house. Just let me see the nonsense again. Monica! Monica! Give me that your phone. Give me that your phone. I want to phone Adanne. Now. I want to talk to Adanne.
Now you take it easy with Emeka now. Eh?
And warn her that if anything happens to Emeka, I should not be held responsible. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Now you take it easy on him.
Give phone, my friend.
He's your son, oh. Eh? He's your son.
What name did you use in 7? What name did you use in the phone book?
That one.
Adagini?
That wine.
That wine. Hello? Hello? Adanne, it is me, your father. It is me, your father, Miss Lilo. Listen very carefully. I want to tell you that your twin brother has located from the town to the village, causing me headache and heartache. I just want you to know that. Please, if you know the way you can talk to him, talk to him, talk to him, because if this thing continues, I will report him to Ugbo and the disciplinary committee of this village, and anything that comes out of it, I will not be held responsible. Warn him, warn him if you know how to talk to him. Hey, oh my, the credit is, hello, the credit is going. Hello. Okay, bye. Just warn him. Take the phone. Take the phone from me.
My daughter! But how come?
Mama, I have to take the 9th bus so that I can come here this early.
Adanne, you are now a married woman. Eh? Night bus is not good for you. Like those days you used to be a single girl. Eh? Stop taking night bus, it's not good for you.
Mama, I needed to come talk to Papa and my brother. Eh? Mama, I missed you. I missed you so much.
Adanne, even if you take night bus and come in this morning, you come in tomorrow, it's the same thing. Eh? You don't need night bus, my daughter. You don't need it. It's not good for you.
Mama, see, I'm supposed to be in Lagos by tomorrow evening. That's why I had to come today. Mama, I missed you.
My daughter, you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Look at you. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Adanne, oh, is it my eyes?
Mama, what is it?
Oh, is something inside there?
Mama, your daughter is 7 weeks gone.
Is it again?
7 weeks pregnant.
Onye kambuzi. Chineke thanksa. Chineke thanksa. Are you saying the truth?
I'm 7 weeks pregnant.
Hey! Onye kambuzi o. Onye kambuzi o. Onye kambuzi o. Onye kambuzi o. Hey! Papa thanksa. Papa thanksa.
Mama is okay.
Papa thanksa.
Mama is okay.
No,
let's go
it's
inside.
not okay.
Amy Wanlem. Ejimamu. Look, I am begging you in the name of God. I need you to leave this village and forget about this land issue. Eh? Look, I don't want my twin brother to be seen as a village nuisance. You know this village does not befit you. You know it.
You want me to go back to Malaysia?
Yes.
Talk to Papa. Tell Papa to be reasonable. Is he the first person to sell a plot of land to sponsor his son to go abroad? Is he? So why will my own be different? Why is my father being selfish and wicked? Why?
Ejimam, Papa is not being selfish. You know that piece of land and this family house is his only inheritance. Eh? Look, do you want him to sell the land because of your unreasonable desire?
Eh? You call it unreasonable desire? Adanem, you have just disappointed me. Thank you.
Hey, Ejimam. Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh? Come and sit down. Biko, nkai kuo n'okwu.
Na igbo agom obi na.
Sorry now. Sorry. Oh, Biko. Okay, fine. It is not unreasonable. But you know this is our only inheritance. Okay. If Onitsha is not favorable for you, you can come to Lagos. You can come stay in my house. My husband will accept you. You can hustle there. Lagos is full of opportunities. You can even make the money you want to travel with in Lagos.
My instincts cannot deceive me. I know that even if I spend a decade in this country, no one will galota here, man. Nothing. But 6 months, my 2 legs land Malaysia. I'm Piaka.
A Piaka? You're talking as if there's money waiting for you on the streets of Malaysia.
Ekene and Arinze that made it in Malaysia. No, tell me. Are they not men like me? Boys. If they can make it, me, I can overmake it. I'm ready to go to any shrine, take an oath, anywhere. 6 months, if I'm not back to this village to start buying lands carelessly like a mad person, let my life be...
Don't talk about your life. Besides, you talk with so much optimism and certainty like you're sure about it.
Yes, because I feel it. It is my fate. It's my destiny. I know it.
Papa, why don't we allow Emeka to travel instead of him to rough here in the village so that it won't cause you high blood pressure and heartbreak? Let's allow him to travel to Malaysia.
I'm not preventing him from traveling. I'm not preventing him from traveling. If he likes, let him travel to Kafanchan. I'm not bothered. It's not my business. I don't care.
Papa, you know that traveling abroad takes a lot of money, and Emeka presently is not doing any business at all that can fund his trip. Papa, let's try and help him, please.
Then let him suspend traveling for now. Let him suspend traveling for now. Go to Onitsha and hustle like other boys and bounce back. You see, if everybody that has problem checks out of the country, how many of us will remain in this country? Let him hustle as a man and make it.
Papa, Daddy Maramba, please do this one last thing for me. You know you promised you would do anything for me.
Yes.
Please, let's just do this one thing. Just do it for me, for my sake. Papa, be cool. Let's help him.
Then, you know, I've not denied you of anything. Have I?
No, sir.
But any day that land is sold, that day I'll give up the ghost.
God forbid it. Yes. God forbid it.
I will give up the ghost.
Papa, why are you talking like this now? You're scaring me. Please now. Papa, don't talk like this again, please.
Any day that land is sold, I'll give up the ghost. What will I tell my ancestors? That the only land my father inherited from his father is sold. What will I tell them? What will I tell them? You people have to, you just have to be reasonable. You just have to.
Papa, he said that when he travels, he will buy back the land and several other lands after 6 months.
Oh, to champo. And you believe such things? You believe it? I'm too old to believe such stories. I'm too old to believe such stories, let me tell you. As far as I'm concerned, that land will never be sold to anybody. Final.
Ejimam, how sure are you that you will make money so fast from Malaysia?
Good question. Ekene has assured me. He told me that once I come and I'm ready, very ready, 6 months in Chaka, I'll be a millionaire. 6 months, he told me.
What do you think they do in Malaysia?
What else do they do in Malaysia? Is it not cooking? It's no other thing there now. is cocaine. Afiam tokan even in Malaysia. That's all. That's what they do. Drug. Me, I'm ready to push that drug. I will push. The same thing they do. Even if it means carrying it in my stomach for 1 whole year, I'll carry it as long as it will give me money.
Hey. Are you sure it's just drug and nothing else?
Have you been to Malaysia before? It's drug, it's cocaine, that's all. All the boys there, it's the same business they do. Cocaine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Look, I just don't want you to stay in this village. Eh? What I'll do is I'll go and talk to Chibueze and see if he can lend us some money from the town union purse. But you will come back after 6 months to pay the money as promised.
Eh? Adami, did you say you talked to somebody?
Chibueze, yes.
See, that's why I'm always talking about you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will not disappoint you.
No problem.
Okay? If you can do this for me, I will not disappoint you, I swear. I will reach there, do and undo to make sure I get the money. I will not disappoint
It's
you.
for our betterment. You're welcome.
You are going now.
My children, the entire money belongs to the union. I am only the treasurer. Only the treasurer.
Sir, we know. And I also know that a treasurer can lend money to people as long as the town is not making use of that money at that time.
The money we're talking about is too much. 1 million naira to give out just like that. Just like that. Eh?
Sir, I understand. Actually, we don't have any other person to go to. This money, sir, I'm supposed to use 800,000 naira. I'll give it to the agent for my documents, my traveling documents and flight tickets. Then the remaining 200,000 naira, I'll change it to dollars. You know, even Mausa till.
I've had that one before. You're not telling a new story. My worry is what happens if the condition is not respected. If I don't see you, what do I do? If you run away, what do I do? What do I hold on to? Whom do I hold? That's the question. Bro. Huh?
I will not run, sir. I give you my word. I won't run. See, I believe in myself. I know. I believe strongly. Once, 6 months in Malaysia, sir, Njaka, I'll come back and give you back this money. I can even add something to it. No Jupiter will stop it.
No, you don't say no Jupiter. You can't foretell your future. Oh, it's the gods of the land who can say that. And you go, oh. So there's no way I can be convinced. Eh? There's no way.
Sir, please, is there any other way you can help us? Please, Biko.
Okay. The only other way is you going to call your father. If your father comes here now, I can respect him. Well, like him comes around, I would say there's credibility. The elderly, I respect some gray hairs. But the way I'm seeing you people, you're too young to have influenced me. Too young. What of even you? You can't stand as a witness. What will influence me? Is it the Medicaid you have rubbed on your body? Or the big breast you're displaying? Eh? Even in our life, even when you're 25 hours, you just forget it. You now begin to regret the money you lent to somebody. Is it going about the handsome man? Usukita a bob off here. Yankee, see about Chibueze one finger for. The coin I chew do, and I chew okay. But they forward to a month for a rookie. So just go and get your father. Let him come show me the parcel of land. I will believe you.
What have I done to you, children? What have I done? Why can't you leave that land alone? Why can't you?
Papa, nobody is selling the land. All we just want you to do is this. Go and affirm in front of the Igwe that if after 6 months we do not pay the money, that Chibueze should just sell the land.
Is it not the same thing? Is it not the same thing? How are you sure that Emeka will return that money before 6 months?
Nani. Hey, why are you wishing your son bad luck? Why can't you just believe for once that Emeka will make it in Malaysia? Hey, Nani.
No. Oh, you people are seeing it. You are seeing it. It's personal. Obi Amilo.
Daddy, look, it's not about Emeka now. I and my husband will start making savings for it from now on. At least from now till 6 months' time, we'll be able to raise some money to support him to pay the bill.
You see?
Adame, I'm going to do this thing because of you. But do not allow the trust and love I have for you lead me to my untimely grave.
Hey.
Don't.
Hey, Nani. Hey?
Because any day I lose that land, if I lose that land, if that land is taken away from me, that day, I will just close my eyes and join my ancestors. Because I can never forgive myself. I cannot forgive myself for losing that land.
Papa,
Never.
Papa, nothing will happen to you, Papa. Yeah. Eh? Look, we'll pay the money. Is it not 1 million naira? We'll pay the money. Oh, Papa.
Nobody's dying here.
Nothing will happen to you.
Nobody's dying here.
Now I go, man. And now I go Malaysia, man.
Now, now.
Now I go.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. I'll miss you very, very much.
Remember what I told you. Emeka, when you get to Malaysia, remember where you're coming from. I believe Papa will join you to the Igwe's palace by tomorrow. Remember where you're coming from when you get to Malaysia. That will make you to work hard to bring the money back. I gave Papa my word and I don't want to hurt him. Please.
We will not fail, Papa. And most importantly, I will not fail you. Ujimam, thank you for believing in me. For believing in this, my dream. Even when nobody believes.
Brother, if I don't believe in you, who will I believe in? You're my blood, not just my blood, my twin brother. It's okay.
Thank you. And make sure you greet your husband.
I will. And make sure you call me as soon as you get to Lagos because I want to see you off to the airport. I want to go to the airport.
Let me see you off.
Onye Male.
Chukwuemeka, my son.
Papa.
You know that you are the only son I have. Why wouldn't I want it to go well with you? Why? I was only fighting and trying to protect family legacy. See, I cannot fight against your progress, definitely. See, now that the money has been made available to other sources today, I bless you this day.
He say
You will go and conquer.
He said,
This money here will multiply tens and hundreds of times on your return.
he say
No evil eye shall ever see you.
he say
When they're in front, you'll be at the back. When you're at the back, you'll be at the front.
he say
Go and win the might man and bring back honors, progress, wealth, everything good, and you're coming back.
God bless my son.
hey, Mama. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. You know, as I always say, don't put them, Jaka.
I trust you. I know you make us proud. Yes. Now, I'm going to enjoy work. Now, I want you to always remember where you are coming from. I don't want you to go there and be looking at all those useless girls and all those useless way of life. I don't want you to join them. Always remember you have a family, a twin sister, a father, and a mother like me. Biko, I know you'll make us proud. Biko,
I will not forget these points. I will not forget. No matter what, I will make sure I come back and put a smile on your face, Mama.
I'm already smiling. Mama, I believe you. I believe you, and I love you so much. Oh, because they come back. Oh no, Mama. Odogumoke. Odogumoke.
Adannem, I've given the agent the 800,000 naira. He said my papers will be ready in 1 month. Yes. So I decided to keep the other 200,000 in my account, in case of, for in Bali. So my plan is that 1 month interval, let me stay here till my papers will be out.
Well, it's not a problem. My husband is very accommodating and I'm sure he will gladly accept you.
Of course. Okay, my guy now. Okay, my guy. He won't chase me out of his house. I'm actually worried about you because you'll be doing all the cooking.
Ejimam, Emeka, if I don't gladly cook for you, who will I cook for?
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Kenki Sigodu now.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Just hold on, I'm coming.
Okay, no
You trust me now?
No problem. You went my eye with the woman.
Honey, let's go to bed. Wake up, it's already midnight. Wake up.
Okay, what's the time? What's the time? Hello?
Hello, Adanne. It's me, Emeka.
Hey, Emeka!
Yeah, I'm in Malaysia now.
Are you serious? How was your trip?
Hey, my trip was fine. God saw us to the hair, man.
Oh, thank God. Have you seen Ekene?
No, I have not seen him. But I'm actually in his hotel. I've called him. He said he's coming.
Okay, remember what we discussed though. Just try and be a good person. Don't allow the life over there to take you away, okay?
Okay, no problem. No problem. Don't worry, I'll not forget. Okay? I'll not be carried away. I know what I came. Hey!
Oh, I miss you.
I'll call you back. Yeah, can I say?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll call you back. Hey! Can I do what?
Alright. That was Emeka.
How is he?
He's at our kinsman's place. He'll be staying at his place till he finds his own place.
I trust Emeka. I know he will make it there as fast as possible.
I trust him too. I'm so happy. Honey, let's go in.
Let's go. Emeka.
Mecasino!
Mecalistic the mecan. Mecalistic mecasino. Mecalistic mecasino.
No, this one.
Tell me, what do you want? Is your beer, or do you want champagne, or even spirit?
They sell beer here in Malaysia.
This is the land of beer. No beer, no Malaysia.
Hey, that means I'll feel at home. See them Ompa.
Okay.
Ompa.
Mecasino, they don't have Ompa. But I'm sure they have other sorts of foreign products. So name anyone you want.
No ompa.
No ompa.
Hard idea. Let's forget about it. Take me to your place now.
Which place?
Your house now.
Oh. A casino. I mean, if I had a home here in Malaysia, why should I tell you? I mean, why would I tell you to meet me in a hotel?
I thought maybe it's because it would be easy for me to locate the hotel.
No. Here in Malaysia, I live in hotels.
All the time you spend in Malaysia?
All the time.
Don't be spending too much money now. That's an exorbitant life.
Is it fine? I go down.
Hey.
No, can't have a cash.
I cannot know. Forgive me. I thought we are still on the same level. I forgot to know. One day to name. That's why I'm here.
Emeka, what are you talking about?
Which one is what am I talking about? If I'm alone. See, you told me, you said it with your mouth. Once I land, 6 months. Kaka, I had to come down, man. You call it game. The game, that game. Not him, not the game.
Which game?
Yeah. Why are you talking to me like I'm a small boy now? See, I know what you people do here. If you have any drug with you, cocaine, give me. Nora Afianto, man. Afianto Kunebu here, I'm very sure I know. See, my blood is hot. If you have any package, cocaine with you, anything, give me now. I enter road. I start selling immediately. My blood is hot. Give me 2 hours. 2 hours. Now we'll take returns, man. My
God. The casino. You left Nigeria, where money is easily gotten, and you come into a foreign land to make it, and you amaze me.
What are you talking about again?
What I am talking about is that here in Malaysia, all we do is spend. And cash. We don't make money here. All we do is burn the money. When you want to make money, go back to Nigeria. Make the money in Nigeria. You don't know what. So if you're ready, come to Nigeria.
Yeah. Ekene? Stop that. Ekene, stop it. I'm telling you to your face, stop it. It's not fair. You told me with your mouth if I come 6 months, I'll become a multi-millionaire. Now I come here, man. What are you telling me? See, stop it though. Stop talking to me like I'm a child. Now I'm a man here. You want only our people will be respecting only you. They will see you as the only rich man. Nah, it's not fair. Hi, Ekene, it's me. It's me, your man, Mekaso. Biko.
Emeka, when you're ready to make money, you know where to locate me. For now, let me know.
Ekene. Hi. People are wicked. Honestly, people are wicked. See Ekene, Ekene, my own man, my brother. He doesn't want to show me the way because he knows that if he shows me the way, I'll be richer than him. Yes. Of course, that's his only reason. What else will make him behave like this? That's why, yes. There's no other reason. Hey. Hey. I can't go back to Nigeria now. I can't go back to my people. What will I tell them? I can't afford to disappoint my people. I can't. Hey. Hey. Emeka Ilo. Meka so. Na guy enter road, man. Guy enter streets. Nothing. No be boys them be. They get two heads. Na guy enter road, man. You go make am. Enter street also. Na guy enter road. Ekene. Wherever you are. You see today. Market. The next time you will see me in Malaysia, I would have become richer than you, bigger than you, more connected than you.
Hey, Ichie, come in. Come in. You're welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Let's go inside and sit down. Talk.
Go inside and do what?
Let's go inside and talk. You can't come to my house and stand outside.
Talk what inside? I've come for my money. Let's go inside.
Hey, Ichie, exercise some patience. Come inside, let us sit down.
Mazilo, I've not come to get my time wasted, please. No, don't try it. Let me have my money.
Ichie, please calm down. Exercise some little patience, please. Yeah? My son must come back. Agracha must come back.
Did I lend money to calm down? Did I lend money to patience? Even if I lend to patience, well, patience also be. Which one is that?
Please, a little patience. Please.
Save me that trash.
Please.
Save me that trash.
Give me a little more time.
Hey!
Emeka.
Even you, but don't have banana sobu. Mazilo, you know what I will do? I will give you extra 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you are not going to add 1 day, nor 1 hour, nor a minute, not even a second.
I agree.
So don't say
Thank you.
If you try it, then I will tell you that Ilo is a bad name. You know, that Ilo, that your name is a bad name. Nobody will have a phone or chat. They didn't want to go. Let there be a day come here and you're well trimmed. If we have a phone or mother, yeah, possible. Stop it.
Emeka. Emeka.
Hey, I am zonke tata. Nani, it's not easy. Nani, Ogene, why are you like this?
Ichie, Eziokwu was here.
Hey, what? Nani, is he up to 6 months already?
So you don't know? You are asking me as if you don't know.
Hey!
It's more than 6 months now.
Efuenumo. Nani, efuenumo. Hey, Nani. The worst part of the whole thing is that Adamne said he no longer calls her on phone.
You see?
And the line she used in getting him is no longer going through.
I said it, and everybody was against me. I said it. You were all against me. Anyway, Obaluru, if anything happens to that land, I will just die. I will just die. And you will see what you have done to yourself. You will see what you have done to yourself.
Chukunda, please. If Chibueze is in any kind of danger, please, Lord, please save him. Save him for us. Save him for me, because no, Chukunda, because no.
Ana agwa ụmụaka okwu akpọchie ntị ene-ekugharị kpọchie ntị ha ma ihe a na-ekwu. Who told you that money grows on the trees? Who told you that money grows on the trees in Malaysia? How can?
Nani, why are you talking like this now? Why are you talking like this? Nani, he's your son, oh. He's your son, eh? At this time, you should be praying for him, Nani, instead of blaming him. Eh? What wrong has he done as a young man, in trying to make life better for himself? What wrong has he done, Nani?
Continue supporting him. I said, continue supporting him. Continue supporting him. Eh? Anyway, very soon, I will die and join my ancestors. Keep on supporting.
Nah, nobody is dying here.
Go ahead.
Nobody is dying here. Nobody is dying here. Nobody is dying here. Nobody is dying here. Hey, Father Lord, please, let nothing happen to my son. This is all I have, Lord. Let nothing happen to me.
That is what has been happening.
My sister, this is the condition I found myself for 4 months now.
But what offense did he commit that we warrant his company to just sack him like that without any compensation?
Chioma.
Sorry.
Sacked? He was taken from office to jail.
Jesus Christ.
Chioma, if not for my initial struggle, he will still remain in jail by now. We used 3 lawyers, Chioma, 3 lawyers. I had to use all my life savings just to get him out of jail. All my life savings.
But what crime did he commit?
My sister, you know men now. Everybody wants to be rich overnight.
And look at your condition now.
My sister, that is why I resorted to street markets. At least so that we can be eaten. So that my baby and I will not die of starvation. Eh?
How the devil is heartless. Very heartless. What about your twin brother? I heard he traveled out of the country.
That one? My sister, Chioma. He was initially giving us hope that when he goes to Malaysia, in the next 6 months, he will do this, he will do that. At a point, his number stopped going. His number is never reachable. We don't know if he's dead or if he's alive. Nobody knows anything. Nobody knows everything.
Hey! After attack with some Mary. Chai!
Baby, you have to manage the soup. Oh, you have to manage it. By the time I finish selling, all those people selling fish, they've all closed. And manage the soup, oh?
Yeah, but baby, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
Thank you.
Honey, landlord came to this place, so...
What did he say?
See, honey, we need to sell some of our electronic gadgets and valuable properties in order to raise money and pay for the house rent.
No. We cannot sell anything. We cannot sell everything. Look, I believe God will answer us very soon. We cannot sell everything now. We cannot sell everything.
Hey, honey, how about you, Emeka? Did you later get him on phone?
For real?
Hey.
We cannot sell anything. We cannot sell everything.
Ichie, Biko, please. Biko, I beg you, please.
What do you want me to do? To pay with my manhood? Do I pay the money with my manhood? Eh?
No. It's just for you to exercise a little more patience. Biko. Biko.
Have I not tried? I have tried. Eh? I've been patient.
You've tried, Ichie, but a little more patience, please.
See, it's been 6 months and 3 weeks now. It's not so. In fact, going to 7 months. Eh? You still want me to exercise with patience? I want more Rambo. Eh?
Ichie, please take note that if you sell that land, you've committed murder.
Which murder?
Because I must die. I did this thing because of my troublesome son. And this land, if you sell it, I can't survive it.
All this talk is not necessary. It wasn't there in the agreement. It wasn't there.
Yes. This is the only family legacy I have. Please.
I don't know where you're coming with all this talk. Hey! See what I'll do? I'll give you 2 more weeks. After 2 more weeks, you don't come forth. I'll not only sell the land, but I may eat your change.
Thank you. God bless you.
If after 2 weeks you don't do anything, then there's trouble.
Thank you, Ichie, thank you. God bless you.
Do not thank me yet, and don't call God yet. When I see the money, we can begin to thank God. Don't thank me yet, because go and make the money available. When you came, you made firm promise that you were going to redeem the money. Look at it now.
Monica! Are you deaf? Monica! Give me that your phone.
What is it?
You have to phone her down there now. You have to phone her down there now.
Daddy, why do you want me to call her?
You have to phone her. Why? After all, she lured me into this mess I am. So you have to call her. After all, she's the person who said that she will refund the money. That she will refund the money if Emeka fails to bring it. So, give me the phone.
You listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. Hear yourself.
Look at this woman.
I should start bothering a pregnant woman. A woman who is suffering to feed the husband. A woman whose husband lost his job. And she spent all her entire savings to make sure that the husband did not rot in jail. That is the woman you want me to call. Is that it?
Yes. What do you want me to do? Therefore, what do you want me to do?
Nanya, don't know.
You want Chibueze to sell that land, You want Chibueze to sell that land, Monica?
Nanya, if he wants to collect the land, let him sell it. If he sells it, what will happen?
Monica, you are saying this?
Yes.
You are saying this, Monica?
What do you want me to say?
Oh. All right.
All right. If he wants to sell it, let him sell it. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Give it to him very fast.
Okay. Okay. I see. Now you let him sell it. Oh. Let him sell it. If you want to sell it, let him sell it. Somebody will not die. Is it not for the progress of our own son? What is it, Seth?
Adamne. Please take this 30,000 naira. It's the little I can do for you. Use it to buy some of the baby things.
Shoma, 30,000. Thank you.
Get up. You don't have to kneel for me now. If you are in my position, I know you will do more.
Mama, you don't know what is. You don't know what is 30,000 naira means to me. God bless you.
Amen. Bless you.
Thank you.
So,
thank you.
Stop crying.
You don't know what this money means to me. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey. Ikene na enu nwanne gị. Na nekene mami gị. Na atago ma ofu man. I'm telling you, I've suffered. Now one I slept in the quarters. I slept in the streets, man, on the road, not from boys. Some of our people that I know in Nigeria, not from Plea and Malaysia, man. That boy is not doubtful. They are suffering. Is this what people go through here?
I was telling you, in a physical. Now it's good that you have seen it with your own eyes. It's
not my fault now. You know, you told me that once I come, 6 months in Jaka. So I thought that, you know, once I enter like this, I enter road, I start selling, things will be moving. I didn't know it would be like this now.
Emeka, to get into drug business in this country, guy, you got to be a hard man. You not got to make a mistake. Where balaka, where bani fana here. When the echo will pagi onto Gaga. You see, our people, they don't gasp what it takes to get into drug business. None of them.
Okay, fine. Forgive me, eh? I'm now lawyer. I'm listening. You are not into drug business. So what do you do? What are you doing to make your own money? Malaysia and Kego Diziche.
Good question. Here now, the more you look, the less you see. Make the money in Nigeria, then camouflage with Malaysia. Now, Piaka. And where are they?
I don't understand.
Negos. If I know, original name Yabo, Telet Nobo.
Wait, so it's not drug?
Very good. When are you a fool? No, wait. Are you a fool? Let me ask you. How can you believe that somebody who left Nigeria without 1 naira, not 1 kobo, dying and go now he comes into Malaysia and overnight he turns into a multi-millionaire in dollars? Why not possible? Let me tell you, we make the money in Nigeria, and then back to Malaysia, camouflage, eat the money, now take us, so that people will not look at us and begin to call us different kind of names. Some may even call us chameleon. Okay, now, Ajo,
so what is Telet Nobo?
Bodonten.
And what is Bodonten?
Telet Nobo.
Yeah, Ekene.
Gent. Nakasino. If you think you're a man and you believe that yourself, follow me down to Nigeria. And in 7 days, just 7 days, you'll be swimming in money. Real cash. Money, real dollars. In a league, not because. Now, I'm not going to go to the final. Or do you say I'm not telling no book? Or do I go say, I put on there with all might and strength? Oh, my day. If I'm well. wife. Honestly, a fine boy like you was rocking there, you know, Peter to man. Wake up your mind. Katobi. Believe me, he better just as here. If I have found a Julam way.
Now, one neck. One neck, you do my man. Where are you taking me to?
I'm not going to Malaysia.
Malaysia?
Malaysia. Can you bring the men up? Let go. Okay, so you make money. Eba in a jacket, I can't put on there. That is, tell it no bomb. This is the main Malaysian business. Where this is what we call dollar easy. That is ego. If you need it, Katobi, Igewego. Too much money.
Can I trust you?
Katobi. No more. I've told him everything. And he said he's willing. I'm ready.
Are you sure you are ready to join the Minolians?
I'm ready.
That which you seek, you shall find. Your money shall be like the river that flows without end. Men and women of high class shall reckon with your unusual wealth, only if you are ready to pay the sacrifice.
What sacrifice?
That which is dearest to you shall be taken away in exchange for your wealth.
My mother?
No! Your twin sister!
Eh? No! Please, no, please. Don't touch my twin sister, please. She's everything I have. Don't touch my twin sister, please. No. Please, I beg you, don't touch. In fact, I'm not doing again. Take your money, please.
There is no going back. You have to provide her by this time tomorrow for sacrifice, or else you die.
Ekene, no. I don't know what you want to do with me. No, I say no, not my twin sister, please. No, I'm not doing again.
Emeka, do you know your problem? Do you know your problem? You said you wanted to make money like me. Now look at the way you're reacting.
Not this kind of money now. See, tell that your bed not to touch my twin sister, please. I'm not doing again.
What did you say? No more. You called him no more a bed. No more. Udo.
Are you leaving me here? Hey, I'm not going to know if I can. I never knew it was like this. I thought that once I get to Malaysia, I'll just start selling drugs. Become a drug baron. Afianto. Team knowing like Analo. My whole life is coming to a crash. I'm between the devil and the deep, you see. Is it not better I commit suicide? Let me just die.
What? Did you sleep here? I thought I showed you a room where you were supposed to sleep.
I'm sorry.
Did you call her?
No.
What do you mean, no? Why?
I'm still thinking.
Thinking? I go, call her. Call her now. Call her.
She's my twin sister.
Twin? Move. Call her.
My twin sister.
Which one up Malaysia? Anyway, let me tell you something. Because I used my newly wedded wife. You know that? Our marriage lasted only 3 months.
You mean you're responsible for your wife's disappearance? Hey.
Because let me tell you. I went to Malaysia just like you. And when I got to Malaysia, I discovered that if I allowed easy. I didn't know what a choice. I was yielded into the many now by boys who were being women. They bring me to Malaysia, blue block we are not Bali. I can not Bali for nearly. Now, let me clear you better. You see, I was in Nigeria when my wife disappeared. But everybody thought that I was in Malaysia. Immediately after the sacrifices, I disappeared back into Malaysia. Stayed for another 4 months to defend in a jaw. Before in a Jose, when I returned, come and see Malaysian wonder now. One blue me now you know what case I you know my father if I not talk. Anyway, nobody could imagine that I used my wife for the rituals. So, as far as they were concerned, she was kidnapped. Tonto didn't away. If you go near.
Hey, if I can, hello.
Which one walk on Malaysia? Every good and give you. I go, one phone, boy.
Baby, you have to stop thinking. You have to stop thinking. Do you want to develop high blood pressure? Do you want to worsen our situation?
How can I stop thinking? How can I stop thinking? Look at your condition. And you are still the person taking care of the house. So I deliberately brought you out of your father's house just to frustrate you.
Am I complaining? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
Okay, tell me, how can I stop thinking? My name and my picture have been sent to all the banks in Nigeria as a rogue and fraud. How will I survive? Tell me, how will I survive?
Look, honey, I believe everything will be all right. This suffering will soon come to an end. I believe so, trust me.
How do you mean?
Honey, look. I had a dream last night. And in that dream, I was carrying this heavy cross. The cross was so heavy that I was sweating profusely. And suddenly my twin brother appeared from nowhere and he took away the cross from me. So you see, everything will be all right.
All I know is that he's the only person who can stop this suffering. He has to come back, he has to come back. He must come back.
Look, honey, anytime I have this feeling, I feel that he's very close to me. The feeling is so strong. He's my twin brother, remember? It's so strong that I know that he will soon come back. He's very close. Oh?
God, I beg you. Before mother won't here. Before mother die here.
You will not die. Oh? You will be strong for us. You have to be strong for us. Let me go to the market, okay? Take care of yourself.
It's okay.
Stop thinking.
I'm alright. It's okay.
Adanne, where are you?
Emeka!
Adanne, calm down, calm down. Where are you, Adanne?
Emeka! You're calling me with a Nigerian number. Are you back?
Is there anybody with you?
Hey, I'm in my shop.
Okay, good. I want you to listen very well.
I'm listening.
Alright, I'm actually back in Nigeria. I'm in Lagos. But I don't want anybody to know, nobody at all. So don't tell Papa.
Okay.
Don't even call your husband. Nobody should know, okay? I want you to come and meet me where I am first. Let's see.
I hope all is well, Ejimam.
All is well. There's no problem. Actually, I came back with so many things, goodies. But the moment I start seeing all these people, they will take everything. So I want you to be the first person I will see. I'll hand over everything to you. Before all these other people. If I had to go.
Hey, I want to see you too now. Okay, you know what? Text me the address via message. I'll be right there.
Remember, don't tell anybody.
Hey, I won't call anybody now. I want to see you now. Send me the address. Oh, I want to see you.
Okay, I'll text it.
Hey! Okay, I'll see you soon. Hey! I said it!
Madam, good afternoon. I need Omo.
No, you see, I'm sorry. I cannot sell anything for you right now, Please, I cannot. I have closed. Hey, God, I knew you were going to do something for me. Hey! No more shop today. No more.
Yes? Who is there? Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Sorry, sir. Emeka, he's my twin brother. He asked me to meet him here.
Your brother?
Yes.
He's my Oga?
Oga? Sorry, are you saying Emeka is your Oga?
Yeah, he's my Oga.
Do you mean that Emeka owns this house?
I said that if Emeka's leg enter Malaysia, he will do wonders. Now, Biko, take me to my brother. Oh?
Let's go inside.
Hey! Hey, wait, take it this way. Hey! Chineke! Hey! Sorry. Hey! Jesus! Hey! Emeka! Hey! Chineke! You look good.
Thank you.
You look very good.
If I had to go. Ego had to go.
Hey! I told them that once your leg enters Malaysia, you will do wonders.
Jaka, and that's exactly what happened. These my 2 legs, I use them to enter Malaysia. Hi. It's too much money.
Jimam, you the owner of this house.
Did you see some cars outside?
Big cars.
Big cars. Big house. Your twin brother arranged all these things while he was in Malaysia.
Hey! Chineke, thanks, sir. Chineke, thank you, sir. Jesus, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And this suffering is over. Thank you for bringing my brother back. Hey. Let me ask you something. Tell me the truth. Did you kill any white man?
Is your Dago? Is your Dago? You know what I can do.
Hey, Emeka.
See, money must come anyhow. That's not why I called you. Let me tell you why I called you. I called you here for you to come and see things for yourself. And you have come. You have seen that if I had to go. So now you will go back home. Change into something better. I don't like this thing you are wearing. It's not good. Change into something better, then come back. I will take you around town and buy you things, anything you like. By the time we are done, we'll now go to a car shop. You point at any car you like. I pay.
Mua Danika. Mua. Hey!
Because this weekend you will ride with me on convoy. We'll enter the village and tell them in the village, show them that Ilo's family has arrived.
Oh yeah.
What are we waiting for? Let me go and inform my husband, because last night I told him I dreamt about you. How you came and ended our suffering. But he was doubting me.
Don't mind them. See, all those people that are doubting my success, I get me to feel.
Oh yeah, no.
So, for now, move, go.
Won't you give me anything to give to him?
Don't worry, I told you if I had to go. Can't you see for yourself?
Hey, I can see. Hey. Wait. Come on, Chamanya.
Oh yeah, I'm coming. Hey.
Emeka's house. Excuse me.
Cholet.
Today, you are about to prove that you are qualified to come up to the class of men of honor. Take cut off her head.
Huh? No, Mike. I can't do this myself. Please, do it yourself.
You are the one who needs the money. It's either you kill her now and become a multi-millionaire in dollars, or both of you will end up not leaving this place alive. There is no going back.
No, I can't do this.
So make your choice now.
Adane, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't know that this is what they do in Malaysia. I didn't know. Please forgive me. I can't afford to disappoint Papa. Forgive me. Please forgive me.
found. My daughter is missing with unborn grandchild. The only land I inherited from my father was in this soul. What am I living for again? What am I living for again? It's not better to die and go. It's not better to die and go.
No. And then never, where are you? And then never, where are you?
This world where we day be like a soup. Money, my brother, be like a salt. If you put the salt for soup, it goes sweet, it comes. Why put the money for life? Oh, no. Malaysia for the pay, Malaysia.
Yay! Nani, open it, Emeka. Open it, Emeka.
What you are gonna Malay? Obama.
Hey, Rambo, get up! My sister, I am going to tell my people what I just saw now. Because if I'm solo, I cannot explain it.
Eh? What did you see?
Guinea, this world is indeed full of unheard surprises. If you see what I saw.
Eh? What did you see now? Eh, tell me.
Do not you Mazilo's son.
Oh, that good for nothing boy. I heard they sold their only land to send him abroad.
Wham! Abakago! Chibueze is back. If you see him, if you see, he come with so many cars, plenty money, dollars. If we're going, he was paying the parents money, dollar. If you see money, hey, Chibueze.
Did you say Chibueze came back with a car?
Cars! Not just one, walk uncle. It is plenty.
But wait, was it up to a year he traveled out of this village?
My sister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months, oh. 6. In fact, that Malaysia is indeed a land of money. Ego.
Hey. This sounds like a magic to me. Eh? I am going there to say things for myself. I am going there.
Me, I am going to visit my father. If you find one name, okay, Malaysia, Ogagea. Hey! He's going to Malaysia now. Figure out here. Hey.
Where now with cars, Malaysia?
The boy came back with money. I mean money. The resource of money. Huge enough to intimidate poverty. You need to see the kind of cars he came back with. Big beam. The kind of cars presidents drive. He was busy giving out money to everyone that came around him.
Eh? To give out money just like that?
As you and I are talking now, everyone in the village is running to his place.
Hey.
Yulo's compound is filled with people now.
Eh? Look at Yulo of yesterday. Yulo a poor man. You see it? No condition is permanent.
At all.
In fact, the longer the suffering, the brighter the glory. Eh? I'm happy for them. Let them just bring back my money. I give them back their land.
That should be what exactly it should be.
I have tried. I'm now part of the success story.
That is it. Without you, the story wouldn't have been what it is
happened
today.
in the first place. It couldn't have happened.
Can you just imagine a look? Who is not the father of a rich man?
Drink and be merry. My son has finally made me proud.
Wonder why I sing
Really? This Malaysia is good, though.
Really? I know that when he steps his foot on Malaysia land, you will make it. I tell you.
Enjoy yourself.
In fact,
The Lord have done it for you. Hey,
I get you n'obodo a otiwalite ego na Malaysia. Oh, if I get you.
Now one. Take him and teach you was by my hana. Obla me one of my with them my.
I bet him, Amaka Bulopolo. Amaka Bulopolo. 50-50.
Odogun woke. Adi woke. Oti wali adi woke.
When they hold the motor soldier. Motor car who be able to all the cool 1 minute. Hey. Say was. Oh, yeah. Na Malaysia.
Oh! When I was telling Papa about my traveling to Malaysia, I didn't believe it. Thank God everybody's now seeing it with their eyes.
Ifani, I am not against your going to Obodo Igbo. What I am against is the selling of plots of land. Eh? It is only a fool that will sell his father's inheritance when faced with financial challenges. A wise son does not sell his father's inheritance.
But Papa, you know that once such person sells the land and travels, once he gets back, he will buy so many lands.
And even houses, Papa. What is land? We're talking about millions of dollars in Agwamoku land, Papa. How much does a plot of land cost in this village? Egoni.
Well, I see that you and your sister have concluded on this issue. When you get a buyer, contact the person.
Hey! Hey, Biano.
Papa, I trust my brother. He will make it. Okay, me a go. Papa, you, hey, I trust him.
Papa, Antini Sina Malaysia. Mbata Malay. Haga no dam.
Ezioku.
Papa. In as much as we are celebrating and rejoicing over your glorious return from Malaysia, there's a very big problem at hand. Very big one.
Papa, there can't be any problem. Not at all possible. I'm back, so you can't have any problem. Once it's something money can buy. Even if money cannot buy it, my own kind of money will buy it. Don't worry, what a problem, Papa.
My son, money cannot buy this one. Money cannot buy this one.
Yeah. Papa, again,
Chukwemeka, when you arrived at Lagos, did you bother to check on your twin sister?
Of course. I called her, but I don't know. Her phone was switched off. I don't have Oke's number. Husband, I would have called him. I hope all is well.
It's not well. Oh, it's not well. It's not well.
All is not well, Chukwemeka. You are 9 months pregnant, sister. for the past 7 days.
Missing, Papa. Jesus Christ. How come?
Somebody told us that she received a telephone call while she was in her shift. She received a telephone call. And after answering the call, she left with joy and happiness. And nobody has been able to see her since then. Since that day, she's missing.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Hey.
Just like that.
Politicians, Papa. I'm telling you, Papa. You know election is around the corner. And once it's time for election, this is all you keep hearing.
What?
Ritual killings, human sacrifices, people missing. Man.
God forbid. Nobody can use my daughter for human sacrifice of any kind. Nobody. Nobody. Nowhere. No.
Anybody who is responsible for the disappearance of my daughter. No. It will never be well with that person. It will never be well with that person. It will never be well with that person. No. It will never be well with that person, my husband.
I have a feeling that I will still see my daughter. We shall still see her.
I don't know.
I know I will still see her.
Don't know.
We shall still see her, don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. Don't do it.
You're welcome once again. You're welcome.
Thank you, Ichi. Thank you. Ichi, we have come to thank you for what you did for us. Especially what you did for me. You know, as they say, Madubu Chibia.
Oh, it's okay.
If not for you, what you did for me, maybe by now, I would have still been in this village climbing palm trees and shooting catapult. But because of you, your kind gesture, I was able to travel out. Thank you, Ichi.
All right, yeah. All right. No.
You remember what I told you, Ichi, when I came with my sister? 6 months in Malaysia and Dhaka.
You said it. You said it.
You said it.
You said it. You said it.
This is the 1 million naira you gave to us. I used to travel.
Okuome. Hey.
I also told you that when I come back, I'll put something on top of it. This is it. This is another 1 million naira for you. To show you that I really appreciate what you did for me.
Hey! Ichiro Chichi, you're not titled, but William, all the goal in one and one, delay in a Uri, halfway ways you eh? No, no. Eh? I'm happy. Hey!
Then, in addition,
yes. You don't have given enough.
In addition to this, Ichi, I brought you some drinks.
Yeah.
You were
Eh?
really
Hey! Mba, ukolozo, welo, unko, ege, uri, afo. You know, you know again. Eh? Uri, afo. Gods of our land, may you be glorified. Gods of our land, may you be glorified. Glorified. Uneme. Emeka. Hey! Dalanda. I'm dumbfounded. Holy mon, I'm
This world where we dey be like a soup. Money, my brother, be like a salt. If you put the salt for soup, it goes sweet, it goes. Put the money for life.
Okay. boundary over here. Up to that place where we are coming from.
Yes.
Hey. Omaka. I want to get the plan. Let me tell you the plan now. See this place? Yeah. I want to use it to build a petrol station. Good. The biggest petrol station in this our village.
Come on.
That's what I'll build here.
That's right.
Oh yes.
That's
right. And the same contractor that is handling my mansion, same person will build this place. You know what he told me? What's Nantira 3 months. 3 months. Everything will be ready. The petrol station, the house, I launch at the same time.
3 months. Ogu. Ha! Thank God. No problem. I'm waiting. I'm here. No problem. No problem.
On the man. Papa. Remember what I told you that time? I told you, believe in me. Sell that your small land. Let me travel. Once I come back, I'll be buying land like a mad person.
You say so.
You are now enjoying,
Please, let it be like a dream.
Papa, anywhere you hear people talking about selling land, once you hear them, I don't care how much, I don't care the size, just tell me, I'll buy. Papa, Ego Kali, it's not my fault, I'll just buy. Papa, Ewa. What's that your name again? Ifeanyi. One Wait, you used to have a sister. Okwako, I remember. How is she? It's fine. Okwako. The one that talks like a parrot. Wow, good to see you. And your father?
Everybody's fine, sir. Everybody's fine. Brother, there's something I have come to discuss with you.
Go. Of course it will be money.
No, brother, not really. Not money this time.
Okay, what is it?
I want to join you guys in Malaysia. My father has accepted to sell one of our plots of land to sponsor me. I don't mind being your boy over there.
Fine. If you will let me advise you, I'll say, forget about Malaysia. Find a business here in Nigeria. Learn that business. After learning, invest that money into it. Forget about Malaysia.
Brother, you know that business has failed everybody in this country. Everyone is complaining. I don't mind anything. Let me just join you people there.
Life in Malaysia is not easy. It's not this thing you are seeing, it's deep. I'll tell you again, forget Malaysia. Find a business here in Nigeria, invest in it. Use that money wisely.
Brother, I know it's not easy, but I have suffered in this country. There is no amount of suffering I cannot take in Malaysia so long as it produces money. Biko.
Okay. I've advised you as a brother. I'll be inside. What I told you in Nigeria. Noboda Dikeh. Ine face baka. Ibiagon. Welcome to Malaysia. Kelendo walile. No, my room.
I don't know what you said. Boy, go into the streets. Also, make some money.
I don't have any money on me. Even if it's a place to lay my head, you ought to go. You're my last hope.
You see, out there in the streets of Malaysia, go out there.
you will see your brothers, fellow Nigerians, hustling. Play me up, can hear me. They will teach you how to do things.
Teach
you how to make money. Gotta go. If I can still get the language, and the language will tell it